campuses know you do have options.
Something happens before you leave, when it starts. When I first turned around.
I think today was great. I think it gave Alief ISD an opportunity to examine their emergency operation plans to see what works, what doesn't work, and evaluate where the gaps are so in the event that there is an emergency, they will be better prepared. Very, very important.
I think the partnership between Alief ISD and Harris County Department of Ed, Safe and Secure Schools, is critical. Sometimes you need that thought partner, right? Sometimes when you're so close to the work, you don't see the things that you're missing. And so having that external partnership come on in to partner with us to say, have you thought about that? What about this, right? So pushing and stretching us in our thinking today has been critical.
Ensure that traffic is flowing. What we would have at times is
if something ever happens, we want our students to be safe, but we also want our parents to understand what we're doing and how it goes, and making sure that they know that we're working in the best interest for their kids.
We've had so many partnerships with all the ISDs throughout Harris County. We're able to look at a wide array of different plans and think about, are there different hazards? Because every school district is different. Some may have more trains, some may have more bayous and things like that in their area. And oftentimes they don't think about those emergencies that can occur because of those things.
You're 405, you're 8, you're 6, you're 7.
HCDE is helping us stay ready, so we don't have to get ready. So I think that I would encourage every ISD to actually not just think about their plan or put their plan on paper, but go through activities like the tabletop where you get a chance to actually walk through the execution of the plan. What happens with ISDs a lot of times is the support that we need to try to get ourselves organized, we don't always have it. Sometimes you can't even afford it. So the fact that you all provide it at a low cost and with a high level of expertise is important.